Hello guys, I'm showing you now the progress of my project. So we have here the several beams constructed. These beams will help to make the strong foundation. We have several earthquakes that struck our province and the nearby provinces, and these beams will help to make the building strong. This might be very costly, but please understand that it is really very important to have this as designed by the engineer. Because without this, the building will easily collapse if ever an earthquake struck. So notice that there are steels arranged. So there are bigger steels, number 16, number 12, and it is tied up by tie wire and in a very uh, arranged manner. So the area of the lot is 200 square meter. This is just a small building, a two-story building. So we just started. I think this is about around 2 weeks because I have a very few workers. I have a very limited budget for this, but thanks God that He gave me a lot of blessings. I saved a lot also from my salary, and I believe this is a nice investment for my future. So if you start creating your house or any building, make sure that you have a well as a source of water, because cement will need water mixed in the sand and gravel. So I focus on the beams and in the lower beams in the foundation, because before, when we created our old house, there's no such thing as this because it is just a one-story building. Thank God it withstood a 7.2 magnitude in 2013. But there are small cracks, especially in our kitchen. But today, engineers really make it sure that a lower beam is being created. Of course, it will not pass with the building code if there's no such thing as that. So that is the progress of my small project, and I hope you are inspired also, especially those who doesn't own a house yet. Please make sure that your building has these beams. Of course, if it is just a one-story building, the beam is just smaller, but this is a two-story building, so it's quite bigger. The higher the building is, the bigger the beams and the bigger the steels to be used.